In this video, I am going to explain how to create a form with Microsoft Access. A form is a user-friendly way of entering the data in a database. Consider this table students. Here we have a table where the user can input the student's details. However, the way as it is now is not user-friendly. In order to make it user-friendly, we can create a form. There are two ways to create a form. You can either create a form using the wizard, or you can create a form automatically by just clicking this button. Let's start from the form wizard. If you click on the form wizard, you choose the table that you want to create the form for, and from here choose which fields you want to include in the form. I am going to choose all the fields. Here you choose the layout of the form, and here you type in the name. So this is going to be the student's form. I'm going to click on finish, and here we have our form. Now let's say that we want to edit this form. For example, we want to put the date of birth under the surname. In order to do that, we have to open the design view, and now I am going to put the date of birth instead of the telephone. So I will put the telephone down there, and the date of birth, we can put it there. I am also going to change the label date of birth to make it with spaces. The problem that can happen when we reorder fields using the design view is that the tab order will not change automatically. So if I click back to the normal view and I press tab here, as you can see, when I press tab on the ID, it will take us to the name, then to the surname, but here it is going to take us to the telephone, and then to the address, and then to the date of birth. We can fix this by going back to the design layout, click on this button tab order, and we can select the date of birth from here and drag it up to be underneath the name, like that, so that the tab order will be set. If now I show the normal view and I hit the tab button, you will see that it will be fixed. However, after the date of birth, it is showing us the telephone and then the address. So let's go back to the design view and make the telephone underneath the address. So now it is fixed. We can also create a table automatically by creating this button. For example, let's create a table for teachers. So I am going to create a table for teachers by just clicking on this button, and the table will be created automatically. Note that when you create a table automatically using the create button, it will include also any sub-tables that table is linking to. So for example, we know that in this case, teachers are teaching certain subjects, so the subjects that they teach are displayed in this subtable as part of this form.